In the latter part of my career, the last several years, it became more and more difficult for me to be physically mobile. And I learned that I had severe osteoarthritis in both my knees, my left knee being worse. I realized that I really needed to look at having my knee evaluated and determine what the best treatment plan would be for this so I could kind of live a fuller life. Even just going to activities, I'd always try to get dropped off or have the least distance to walk because even walking was so painful. I did see medical orthopedics, Dr. Maxwell, and he identified a treatment plan which included physical therapy, injections. He said, would you consider weight management? Because he said less weight on joints is better. And he said, actually, if in the long run, surgery is in your future, it would be better to have less weight on board. And I guess with his encouragement, I did take that step and accepted the referral. And that's when I met Dr. Susan Molnar. And she became kind of my champion and my medical monitoring of weight management. Well, thanks to the weight management team at Essentia Health, I've lost over 100 pounds. I recognize that, and Dr. Maxwell did also, that a referral to orthopedic surgery would be very important. And so I was referred to Dr. Tyler Larson, who I saw, and he basically identified the options. Then we decided to go ahead with surgery. My procedure was done at St. Mary's Hospital in Superior. The day of my procedure, I had a wonderful team. I really felt the values of hospitality. I felt the value of quality. Because even in talking with Dr. Larson prior to my procedure, we had different options for the way the procedure would be done. He respected what I was concerned about. I was very impressed because one of the main things he asked was what worried me the most about having this procedure. So it made me feel, respected, and it made me feel that there was a team really taking care of me. Following my procedure, I did everything. I think that the most important thing was just beginning to be active again. It just amazed me that even as soon as I woke up, I was standing and walking on my operative leg. And within 3 days, I was walking outdoors, outside, because it was in June. Within 3 or 4 weeks, I was able to walk on the lake, which I hadn't walked on for a couple of years. Just being able to park my car a distance from where I was going to go and be able to walk just really thrilled me. And over the last year, I've continued with my weight loss journey. And also I've added to that being much more active. So I decided to come to the Essentia Wellness Center and join the Y. And I worked with a personal trainer who gave me the confidence to know that I could do the things to take better care of myself and become more active. And it's really, really made a difference. I just feel rejuvenated and I feel like I have so much more energy and so much more enjoyment of the little things. It just helped me to become active in my social group again as a senior and as a retiree. Essentia Health made me feel cared for by listening to me. It was reassuring to know that people were there taking good care of you. Another way that I really felt cared for at St. Mary's was the therapy team, both in the post-op area before I was sent home, both PT and OT, and also the outpatient therapist who I saw. It doesn't matter what stage you are in your life or how old you are, but if you really put your mind to it and if you reach out for the help and the assistance that you need, it can really change things around for you in your life.